If you want to get the most out of your game time, then it pays to have the right kit in your corner.
Oh, that's a decent price.
And now you can enjoy lasting comfort and effortless control in one sleek unit. The all-new Logitech G513 mechanical gaming keyboard has now landed, complete with aircraft-grade aluminium finish, individual key RGB backlighting, a choice of 2 key switch options, and much more besides.
My, you do look handsome.
Just like the #1 selling G502 gaming mouse and the cutting-edge G560 gaming speakers, the Logitech G513's incredible performance is made possible by some truly exquisite engineering. The main top case of the keyboard is a brushed anodized aluminium, and just like its award-winning older sibling, the G413 gaming keyboard, the G513 comes in both silver and carbon flavors. This not only makes it extremely durable, but also striking to look at on any desk setup. It's also been developed with comfort in mind, sporting a detachable water-resistant leatherette palm rest, which, thanks to the Super Recovery memory foam construction, means you'll experience less fatigue over longer play sessions.
I say.
Media control is available via the function keys out of the box, or can be set up through the Logitech gaming software to work by default, and game mode control ensures you'll never miss a headshot thanks to that pesky Windows key again. Speaking of keys, the G513 also comes bundled with 12 extra keycaps, so you can tailor the keyboard to your touch. It also boasts USB pass-through with a dedicated port at the rear, delivering full power, perfect for charging devices or transferring data.
Hack the planet.
You can also now perfect your gaming setup yet more thanks to a choice of 2 distinct switch profiles, the Roma G Linear and Roma G Tactile. So no matter how you like to play, there's an option perfectly suited to your style.
Idle hands are the devil's workshop.
On top of all this, the Logitech G513 mechanical gaming keyboard also boasts brilliant RGB backlighting, allowing you to customize the look to your heart's content across 16.8 million colors. Or, just let Logitech G's LightSync technology do the hard work for you and enjoy an enhanced gaming experience. LightSync doesn't just blindly backlight your keyboard, but instead delivers intelligent, immersive play, bringing your games to life like never before. To find out more about the G500 series and the G513, just hit up logitechg.com.